Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the essentials: admin access, theme backup, and a decision on method. First, duplicate your live theme. This protects sales pages. Next, install a review app or open theme code if you prefer custom snippets. Make sure apps have right access. Why start here? Because you must avoid breaking product pages. Once done, locate the product template or main product JSON section. We'll add the review block next, step by step, careful and reversible. Now you add the review component. If using Liquid, paste the snippet into product template or product JSON sections where reviews should appear. If using an app, connect it to products and map fields, star rating, title, body, and optional photos. Make styling changes to CSS for spacing and mobile responsiveness. Use preview to check. Why? Because proper placement and mapping ensure reviews display consistently. Once connected, import existing reviews. Finish by publishing the theme copy or activating the review app. You must confirm structured data markup for rich snippets so search engines show stars. Test the full review cycle. Submit as a customer, moderate in admin, and verify the public post and notification emails. If something fails, clear caches, check theme overrides, and confirm app permissions. Most issues stem from conflicts or missing snippets. Finally, monitor first 24 hours for display and moderation edge cases, and adjust as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.